Well, hello, my name is Andrea and I am a marketing manager. And in this video, I'm going to show you a way that you can still create a poll on your Facebook business page without the need to set up a group. Now, not too long ago, I made this video right here where I showed you 2 ways to do this on your business page. And now there's only one. So I felt the need to kind of refresh this information for you. If you get as annoyed as me with Facebook kind of always taking away the tools that I really like, this is still a way to get around that. So what you're gonna need and what I'm gonna use to show you is a mobile phone, because you can only do this through a mobile device at the moment. And the way that you can still create a poll on your Facebook page as of this recording, and in the US at least, because that's where I am, you can do this through your Facebook stories. So on your phone, if you go to your Facebook business page, which is where I am right now, click on Add to Story. Now, there used to be a choice up here for a poll. That's gone now. So cross that off of your list of options, but Facebook did still leave us one way that we can create a poll in our stories. And so if you click on a photo or put on some text, whatever you want, let's do this little photo of my cutie pie right here. I am going to click right here on stickers. Ta-da, right here. You can see that there is a sticker for a poll option. So you can ask a question and have this poll show up in your stories for your Facebook business page, which isn't a terrible way to go about doing this, because it's always good to have a story going on at any given time. It kind of keeps you at the top of people's feeds. So I am trying to have more and more stories at the moment. Here, let me get out of this. So that's one way to do this. Now, if you are using your business suite, so now I am on my desktop, if you click create a story. So here it looks just like the other version, but here where you click on stickers, that poll option is not there at all. So that's a bummer, but you can still do it through mobile. Now, obviously it's only a matter of time where they take away that option too, to do the poll through your story on your mobile device. So might I suggest something better? What I've been doing instead recently is creating a post, and I'll ask what I would do as a poll question, I'll just ask it like a regular post question. So I will do this. This is a poll question. But instead of just leaving it like that, put it on a colored background. Click on this little guy right here to make the background look super fun. There's obviously lots of different options that you can do, but that really makes it stand out for some reason. When I've been asking simple questions like this, I get almost more engagement by these simple questions as a post on a colored background than I ever got as a poll question on my business page. That's one alternative. A second alternative that I like a lot better, actually. Okay, think about it this way. What's our goal as marketing managers on Facebook? Is it really to grow our Facebook page, or is it to grow our business? It's to grow our business. At least it is for me. And so what I would love to do is to be able to contact people who follow me as often as I want to. Now, what I'm doing on our Facebook business page is that if I want to ask a poll question, I will create a little contact form poll on our website, make it a little page on our website, and I will put a link to that in my Facebook post. So I will say, hey, I would really love your feedback on this short little survey. It takes 2 seconds to answer. And at the end of it, I will send to your email a coupon code for $10 off your next service. Now, that way I am getting a poll question answered that I might actually be wondering about, what our customers might think about something. And 2, I'm growing my email list. And so the more people I have in my email list, the more people that I can contact with special offers and things like that, instead of having Facebook limit who is seeing my posts. And so for me, that's a much better option than doing a poll on Facebook, is to direct people from Facebook to my website to answer a question there, enter in their email address. That way I can send them a gift. I can send them a coupon code for a discount or something like that. Or they could be entered to to win a contest, you name it. Now, if you don't have a website, you can still do this. The email company that I use is MailChimp right now, and you can actually set up a free website through them. It would look something like yourname.mailchimp.com. What you can do is you can just set up a single page website with like a contact form acting as a survey in there. And that way you can start creating an email list of people before you even have a website. And if you don't want to go through the expense of having a website right at this very moment, there's still a way that you can capture and grow an email list even without a website, which is great. It doesn't help you search engine optimization wise with a website, but baby steps. So if this video helped you, if you wouldn't mind hitting that like button, I would really appreciate it. It would help me out. I hope you subscribe because I do more videos like this every week. And you might also be interested in this video right here where I did organic hacks to help you grow your Facebook video views. I'm all about the organic growth. I'm all about finding budget-friendly ways to make your marketing work for you. So I hope you have a great day, and I will see you in the next video.